Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. This comes in a white exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof. Formatic Mercedes-Benz and GLE 350 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 32,387. We have a push button ignition. Navigation system, radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.